Hey y'all, good morning. If you need dinner in no time flat, but you don't want to work real hard for it, then let me show you how to make a cheesy chicken, broccoli, and rice casserole that goes together in minutes, but is absolutely delicious. You're gonna like this one. All right, well, we got a family to feed, so let's cook. All right, this is how you put dinner together when you have no time to mess around. I volunteer for the choir program, the chorus program at the high school, which I adore. I love it. I love the people, love everything about it. But I'm the only one on the what's it called? On the board that knows how to sew, and none of the other parents kind of stepped up this year. And we've got some dresses that are in pretty bad shape, so I volunteered to fix them. And I went down to pick them up today before I leave to go out of town. Turned out there's 68 of them. Holy crap. Alright, so in the bottom of this big casserole dish is 9 by 13. I'm just putting a couple cups of cooked rice, right? I'm going to throw the rest of that rice in the fridge. We like to make fried rice for breakfast. How's that for quirky? I love it. It's fast, easy breakfast, uses up rice, it's cheap. Start your day with veggies and fiber. Why not? Alright, I'm just patting it flat. Ta-da! Alright, and here I have broccoli. And this is about a head of broccoli. See, just plain old broccoli. And I blanched it. Blanching is when you know what, I've got a video on blanching green beans. I'll just link it. You just dunk it in salted boiling water. And that way, see how pretty and bright that is? Blanching sets that. Keeps it nice and bright. Okay. You know what? I don't want that one. He's fired. Okay. So here's all I did. I made one big even layer. We've got the broccoli and the rice on the bottom. Now, the water I blanched the broccoli in was lightly seasoned. The rice was lightly seasoned. We're just going to give a little sprinkle. That's probably not even half a teaspoon of kosher salt. And I use kosher, guys, so there you go. If you use iodized, use less. All right, here we go. Here's our liquids. Sour cream, not quite a cup of mayonnaise, and a can of cream of chicken soup because we're cheating some this week. Because we can. And this we're just stirring up. And then I had, I don't know how much cheese this is. You know, I've started, it was a 12-ounce package. I gave some to the dog. And I've noticed it's more difficult to measure when I use my food processor just because it gets fluffier. But I'm going to guess, I'm going to tell you 4 cups. How about that? And that goes right in here. And we're going to give it just a splash. About a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Just a bit. You don't want much. You could use red wine vinegar. I think white wine would be better, actually. Now that I said that, I'm gonna take it back. White wine would be good. All right. And then I had 3 chicken breasts. You can use roasted, you can use leftovers, you can pan fry it if you want to. Sure, you know what? That'd probably be pretty daggone good. Get some sear on the outside. That would be nice. Ooh, that was loud, y'all. Sorry. 3 chicken breasts, leftover. I just cut it up into cubes. And I have an oven preheated to 350 degrees. And, whew, sorry, too close. Got a little over enthusiastic. So this is coming down right over the top. My mother, and I need to call and ask her what she does. My mother makes a broccoli casserole, just as like a vegetable, a side dish. And Lord, it's southern. It is nothing. You take a healthy vegetable and just smother it with mayonnaise and sour cream, kind of like what we did here, you know. But Mom's version is so rich and so decadent, and I'm not entirely sure what she does. I need to call her and ask her and get that for y'all, because it's phenomenal. everything in. Bum, bum, bum. And last, you know we have to have more cheese. So take the rest of your cheese right over the top. Now this is gonna go in, did I tell you how hot the oven? 350 degrees? 45 minutes. The cheese is gonna melt and get crusty and bubbly and beautiful. And everything in that dish is gonna come together and be amazing. All right. How fast was that? I don't know. 5 minutes and 30 seconds fast. All right, 350 degrees, 45 minutes. We'll see you on the other side. Oh, there we go. 3 minutes, but I think bubbling cheese is a thing of beauty. All right, let me pull that out of there and show you what we have. Here we go, out of the oven. Now, I have been known to run cheese casseroles under the broiler for a minute, just to get even more cheesy, crusty beautifulness. Beautifulness, I can't believe that just came out of my mouth. Beautifulness. An idiot. This stuff smells heavenly. And I always burn my mouth. Let's try to get a small bite so I'm not chewing on camera more than I have to. That's not anything anybody wants to hear. Okay, there we go. Wow. Oh. Yeah, that's just good. Whoa. I want some more. There you go, guys. Cheesy broccoli, chicken, rice, casserole. That's fabulous. Hey YouTube, thanks for watching. And if you thought that video was helpful, do me a huge favor. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the little bell so you get a notification whenever I post a new video. And if you have a second, hop on over to Patreon and check out how to support my channel even more. Again, thanks for watching.